What is up, guys? This is Connor from the Mountain Air Trading Group. Today I'm going to show you how a simple trading strategy can take your trading career to the next level. This easy trading strategy combined with our unique money management plan can turn anyone into a consistently profitable professional. If you're interested in learning how to trade the way we do, hit that link in the description section. Here's a quick demo of how insanely profitable the MTG strategy really is. Let's get into it. Today I got the Bitcoin USD chart open on the daily time frame, and I'm going to take every trade that our signals provide. Get our first entry signal here. Place our first trade. Okay, we're tagged into the trade. I'm going to use this line here on the screen to mark where our stop loss is. We're going to move our stop loss up, locking in profit all the way up as the trend progresses. So that's our stop loss. Let's continue moving time forward. Let's move our stop loss up, lock in some profit. Move our stop loss up. And it looks like we got another entry signal here. I'm going to place my second buy trade. We're tagged into our second trades, move our stop loss up, reduce our risk. We got another entry position. I'm going to place my third trade. We're tagged into our third trade. We're going to move our stop loss up, lock in some profit, and reduce our risk. Now our third trade's in profit. All three trades are currently in profit now. We got another entry signal. This is our fourth entry. Let's go ahead and place our fourth trade here. Tagged into our fourth trade, let's move our stop loss up so we can lock in profit and reduce our risk. We got another entry signal. Place our fifth trade. Tagged into our fifth trades, move our stop loss up so we can lock in some profit here. Let's move our stop loss up so we can lock in some more profit. All our trades are currently in profit with profit locked in. We got another entry signal. Place another buy order here. Tagged into that. Let's move our stop loss up. Oh, and there we go. Now we're stopped out of all of our positions. So let's see what we would have made on this. Our first trade is 11.04% profit. So we'll mark that as plus 11.04%. Second trade. $3.84 profit. This is our fourth trade, or our third trade, I'm sorry. 3.98% profit plus 3.98%. Fourth position is solid plus 1% profit. Fifth trade here, plus 1.42% profit. And our last trade was a loss for a minus 1%. So if we add all these up, we'll see how much we made on these trades. There we go. plus 20.28% profit in less than 5 minutes. So if we just had a small account of $10,000, we would have made over $2,000 in less than 5 minutes. This is how we trade over here at the Mountain Air Trading Group. If you want to learn how to trade the way that we do, hit that link in the description section. Don't forget to ask about a 7-day trial.